Hello, wonderful people around the globe. Welcome to VitalGlow Life. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness. We're going to introduce you to a fantastic elixir for your kidneys, a homemade cleansing juice. Kidneys play a crucial role in our bodies, filtering out toxins and waste. By incorporating this natural juice into your routine, you can give these hardworking organs a little extra love and care. So, are you ready to discover the secret to a healthy kidney? Stay tuned. To start with, gather all the ingredients. This juice requires simple ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. First, we have celery, a crisp and refreshing vegetable that not only adds a delightful crunch to our juice, but also works wonders for our kidneys. It's packed with antioxidants that help cleanse the kidneys and flush out toxins. Next, we have apples, the sweet and tangy fruit that's known as a nutritional powerhouse. Apples are high in vitamins and fiber, which aids digestion and promotes kidney health. Then comes the lemon, a citrus wonder that's not just for lemonade. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones. And finally, ginger. This spicy root is an excellent detoxifier, and it's been known to soothe inflammation. It's just the thing to give our juice a kick and our kidneys a cleanse. Got all your ingredients? Great! Now let's move on to the fun part, creating the juice. Now begins the journey to a healthier kidney. Follow these steps carefully. First, let's start with the cleaning. Our ingredients are fresh and organic, but it's always a good idea to give them a thorough wash. Run them under cool running water and gently scrub to remove any dirt or residues. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your juice. Once the ingredients are clean, it's time to prep them. For our kidney cleansing juice, we are using apples, celery, cucumbers, and lemons. Start by cutting the apples and cucumbers into chunks. They don't have to be perfect, but try to make them roughly the same size so they blend evenly. The celery should be chopped into smaller pieces, as it can be a bit fibrous. And for the lemons, just slice them in half. We'll be using a citrus press for these. Next, we're ready to start juicing. Take your juicer and make sure it's clean and ready to go. Begin with the apples and cucumbers. The juicer will extract all the nutrients and leave behind the pulp. Then move on to the celery. You might notice it takes a bit more effort to juice, but the benefits are worth it. And finally, use a citrus press for the lemons. You want to capture all that tangy goodness. And now, the final step. Once all your ingredients have been juiced, take your glass and pour in the fresh, vibrant mixture. You'll see the colors blend together, creating a visually appealing and nutritionally rich drink. Take a moment to admire your creation. This isn't just a juice, it's a testament to your commitment towards a healthier lifestyle. And there you have it, your very own homemade kidney cleansing juice. Sip this juice, let it work its magic, and feel the difference in your body. This kidney cleansing juice, when consumed regularly, will not only help to detoxify your kidneys, but also assist in flushing out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The ingredients used are not only natural, but also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can help boost your overall health. But remember, while this juice is a powerful tool for kidney health, it is not a standalone solution. A healthy lifestyle is key. Incorporate a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and good sleep hygiene are also crucial. After all, our bodies are complex systems, and every part works together to create a harmonious whole. It's also worth noting that everyone's body is unique. What works well for one person might not have the same effect on another. So, listen to your body, understand its needs, and act accordingly. Health is not a one-size-fits-all concept. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more health and wellness tips. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.